Adding Google reviews to your Wix website is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can add Google reviews to your Wix website. So the process is pretty simple. For that, you have to go to Google and you need to type in elf site. So I'm going to search for elf site and I will go to this website, which is elfsite.com. Now here I have to create an account first. After creating an account, as you guys can see, I'm logged in. I just have to click on this simple widgets. And here I'll search for Google reviews. It should be, in the front, as you guys can see, it is right here. So I'm going to click on that and here I will, now here it will let me, create a few Google widget that I can create. As you guys can see, it has all the customization. But in my case, I've already created one. After creating, you just have to, simply click on this, continue with this template. So I'm just going to click on this view widget just because I've already created one. After that, you'll see this page. Now here you simply have to click on this install and you have to copy the code. After that, you have to go back to your Wix website and you simply have to click on this add element. After clicking on this embed code, you simply have to click on this embed HTML. Now here I have to paste the code that I copied before and I'm going to click on this update. What it will do is it will add this page right here or my Google reviews right here. Currently, my website is not upgraded, so I won't be able to see these right here. It is just being loaded up. As you guys can see, it just added right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.